Minexa.ai offers developers an API-ready system and non-technical users a browser workflow, producing consistent, structured data to scrape job listings quickly and accurately. Navigate to the apna.co jobs page you want to scrape. From here, Minexa.ai begins identifying the correct job listing data container automatically. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. It works directly on dynamic, fully loaded pages in your browser to get started quickly. Click the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page" so Minexa.ai can analyze the layout and detect the job listings on this page. Minexa.ai doesn't stop at the first page. It automatically detects pagination and follows all pages to collect comprehensive job listings on every run. Choose whether you want to scrape a lightweight job list or perform full extraction across every detailed job page for richer data. Click Continue to proceed. Switch to advanced mode if the page requires extra steps before the data becomes accessible for extraction. Minexa.ai has highlighted the main container holding all the job listings. Click Create Scraper to let it select the most stable way to extract data consistently every time. Now, Minexa.ai has identified all relevant data points like job titles, company names, locations, and posting dates. Select the columns you need to keep extraction accurate and consistent every time. Developers can click the API request button to get code that returns only the fields you need, or let Minexa.ai auto-select the most relevant job data points. Click Complete Configuration to validate settings, and use this scraper for manual exports or direct API calls anytime you need updated job listing data. Minexa.ai locks in all pages automatically. It collects the full dataset from the first to the last page without missing any listings. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets so fresh job data pushes there automatically after every run. Press Run to start extraction. Minexa.ai supports both batch URL lists and single-page runs using the same scraper configuration for flexibility. Every value in this dataset matches exactly what appeared on apna.co when scraped. Typical fields include job title, company, location, salary, and posting date, ensuring precise and trustworthy data. Click Export to download your data. Excel and JSON files share the same column structure, making them compatible with many tools for analysis or reporting. Install Minexa.ai and transform any website into a structured dataset in minutes. No need for selectors, infrastructure, or ongoing maintenance.